Hi viewers, welcome to JSM. In this video, I am going to discuss variation of acidic and basic nature of oxides in periodic table. So what will happen in the periodic table when we go from left to right or top to bottom? Okay, let us see. Okay, here, for example, I am taking a periodic table like this. Okay, in this, okay, from left to right, when you go from left to right, non-metallic nature increases. Non-metallic non-metallic character increases. With a non-metallic character increases, acidic nature also increases. Acidic nature also increases. So when you go from top to bottom in a group, metallic nature, okay, metallic character or metallic nature increases. When the metallic nature increases, basic nature of oxides also increases. So finally we can conclude that as non-metallic nature increases, acidic nature of oxides increases, and as metallic nature increases, basic nature of oxides increases. So here also we can add one more point here. Acidic nature, what will happen here? From top to bottom, acidic nature decreases, and here acidic basic nature from left to right decreases. So this is a trend, a variation of acidic and basic nature of oxides in periodic table. So let us see how we can find out when in exams they will ask increasing order and decreasing order. Okay, that I want to explain based on electronegativity and oxidation state. So means here nature of oxide nature of oxide depends on two factors. That is, one factor is electronegativity electronegativity and one more factor is oxidation state. So based on these two factors, so we can say and we can write increasing order and decreasing order of acidic and basic natures. Okay, let us see that. Nature of oxide. Okay, already we discussed. Nature of oxide depends upon two factors, that is electronegativity and oxidation state. So let us see first factor, that is electronegativity. Okay, so when oxides forms with different elements, this acidic and basic nature depends upon electronegativity. So as electronegativity increases, okay, as electronegativity increases, acidic nature also increases. As electronegativity increases, acidic nature of oxide increases and basic nature of oxide decreases. So let us discuss with some examples. Here we have some examples in that. So lithium oxide, beryllium oxide, boron oxide, carbon oxide and nitrogen oxide. Okay, these are in period wise. Already we discussed in a period from left to right. As a non-metallic nature increases, acidic nature increases. And also we can say based on as electronegativity increases from here to here. Left to right in a periodic table, here as electronegativity increases, acidic nature of oxide increases and basic nature what will happens? Basic nature decreases. So that's why we can write here order is this one with more acidic nature. So already we know that beryllium oxide is amphoteric and lithium oxide is, okay, basic oxide. Remaining this one is acidic oxide, this one also acidic oxide, this one also acidic oxide. But among these three acidic oxides, N2O5 with more acidic nature. Next, let us take this one. Okay, N2O3, P2O3, AS2O3, Sb2O3, Bi2O3. Say that from top to bottom in a group, as electronegativity decreases, from top to bottom in a group, so that's why acidic nature also decreases and basic nature increases. So already we know that arsenic and antimony oxides are amphoteric in nature. Okay, so these two are acidic oxide, this one having weak basic nature. Okay, Bi2O3 having weak basic nature because metallic character is more there. Next, so you take this one period wise: sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine. In a period wise, from left to right, electronegativity increases. When electronegativity increases, acidic nature increases and basic nature decreases. So already we know that here aluminium oxide is amphoteric oxide. These two are the basic oxides. Okay, the remaining all are the acidic oxides. That's why here what you can say, from here to here acidic nature what will happens, increases. Okay, Cl2O7 having more acidic nature. Next, let us take this one. So in this B2O3, Al2O3, Ga2, gallium oxide, indium oxide and thallium oxide. Okay, from top to bottom these are in top to bottom in a periodic table. Okay, then what will happens, as electronegativity decreases from top to bottom, electronegativity decreases from top to bottom, acidic nature decreases and basic nature what will happens, increases. Basic nature increases. So already we know that aluminium and gallium, okay, having amphoteric nature and this one having acidic nature and these two having basic nature. Okay, so that's why we can say from top to bottom electronegativity decreases, acidic nature decreases and basic nature increases. So let us see the next factor, oxidation state. Okay, let's see next factor on which oxide's nature depends. Okay, as oxidation state increases, acidic nature increases, because when the oxidation state increases, electronegativity increases. Already we know that. Okay, as the oxidation state increases, electronegativity increases. That's why we can say as the oxidation state increases, acidic nature increases because electronegativity increases. Let us take, this is only applicable to when oxides formed with same element with different formula. So these are the three oxides with same element nitrogen with different formula. So in this case, how we can find out acidic nature? That is based on the oxidation state. So here you see oxidation state in N2O3, that is +3, here +4, here +5. Same element with different oxidation state. From here to here oxidation state increases, that is from +3, +4, +5. So that's why what we can say, as the oxidation state increases, acidic nature of oxides increases. That's why here what is the order? Okay, from N2O3 to N2O5 acidic nature increases. Next, in this example P2O3, P2O4, P2O5 also oxidation state of phosphorus is +3 here, here +4, here +5. In this case also oxidation state increases, that's why acidic nature increases. In this example, CO and CO2, already we know that CO is neutral oxide. So here oxidation state is +2, here oxidation state is +4. From here to here, oxidation state increases, that's why acidic nature increases, but CO is here neutral oxide. Okay, then SO2, SO3. In SO2, oxidation state of sulfur is +4, oxidation state of sulfur in SO3 is +6. From here to here, oxidation state increased, that's why acidic nature also increased. Here vanadium +2, here +3, here +4, here +5. Already we know that vanadium with +5 oxidation state having which nature? Amphoteric nature. But when you see the remaining, we can say that they are having, okay, this is the increasing order of acidic nature. Next, manganese, here it is with +2, it is with +4, this is, I'm sorry, here this is with +3, this is with +4, this is with +7. Okay, then we can say as the oxidation state increases, acidic nature increases. So this is about the two factors which affect the nature of oxides. What are those factors? One is electronegativity, so one more is oxidation state. Thank you.